Hello everyone, today I will explain the orthophoto function of the tool module. This function combines the horizontal section tool and the vertical section tool to export images of elevation, intensity, density, and RGB information of the point cloud. The exported images support the .tiff and .png formats. First, activate the orthophoto function. In the orthophoto dialog box that pops up on the left, users can see two modes: horizontal section tool mode and vertical section tool mode. Horizontal and vertical modes cannot be used at the same time. The top is the horizontal section tool mode. Users can set the minimum and maximum values of the horizontal section through double sliders or customize the values. The 3D window will display the results in real time. If the settings are incorrect, users can reset them by clicking the reset button. Below is the vertical section mode. After selecting the vertical mode, click the vertical section button and the 3D scene will automatically switch to the top view. Then interactively draw a rectangle box using the mouse. The first 2 points determine the axis, the third point determines the buffer size, and double-click to end the section slice. If users want to fix the section buffer, please click the buffer button and adjust the buffer value. Users can see that the selected range is the custom buffer value. Here I will take the horizontal mode as an example. If users want to export the entire point cloud image, the 3D window needs to display the entire point cloud. Of course, users need to select the save path for the exported image. The selected mode for the point cloud export, including elevation, intensity, density, and the RGB images. When in elevation mode or intensity mode, users can choose the maximum, minimum, and average values for pixel calculation. In the maximum mode, when calculating the pixel value of each pixel in the image, it is calculated based on the maximum elevation or intensity for all point clouds mapped onto the current pixel. The minimum value is the minimum value of the corresponding property of the point cloud for the current pixel. The mean value is the average of the point cloud properties in the pixel. Here, I will use the default average value. First, let's explain the elevation mode. After selecting elevation mode, the point cloud in the 3D window will be displayed according to the elevation. At the same time, the point cloud color mode setting window on the right side of the software will display the selected mode. In this window, users can choose the color of the exported image. Then check whether to colorize. If the colorization is checked and users click OK, a colorized image will be output. If the colorization is not checked, a black and white image will be output. Of course, users can also set the resolution of the exported image. Currently, there are 3 built-in options for the export image resolution setting. Under the current window resolution option, the aspect ratio and resolution of the output image will be exactly the same as the 3D window display. When the point cloud is scaled in the 3D window, the resolution is updated in real time. Under the user-defined resolution option, the aspect ratio of the output image will be the same as the 3D window, but the resolution can be customized. According to point cloud option, the aspect ratio of the output image will be calculated based on the bounding box of all current point clouds. Similarly, the resolution can be customized. By exporting images with different resolutions, users can see the difference in the images exported at different resolutions. The intensity mode is the same as the elevation mode. If exporting by point cloud density, the 3D window will not change. If users want to colorize it, please select the color bar in the export settings interface. Similarly, depending on the requirements, check colorize, and after clicking OK, a colorized image will be output. The last one is exporting by point cloud RGB. If the point cloud data contains RGB information, After checking this option, the point cloud in the 3D window will be displayed according to RGB. In this point cloud data, there is RGB information, so after checking RGB, the point cloud in the 3D window will be displayed according to RGB. At this time, whether to check the colorized option will be invalid, and only a colorized image containing the RGB information of the point cloud can be exported. If the point cloud does not have RGB information, the software output window will warn you that your point cloud data does not have RGB information. This is the introduction to the Orthophoto function. Thank you for watching.